We're at Inwood Hill Park today. There's the Muscota Marsh running through here. As you can see, it's pretty frozen. And it runs up through here. There's the Henry Hudson Bridge over there. Here's some more of the marsh here. That's Spuyten Creek that's out here. And if you go this way, it goes to the Hudson River. Going this way, goes to the Harlem River. And the neighborhood of Spuyten in the Bronx is right over there. And there's a popular place to go sleigh riding for the kids. They like to go sleigh riding on this hill. I had a friend back in the day that used to have a blast on this hill. Been a few years since I've seen them. But that is one of the popular spots there. Oh, and we're going to have some train action too as a plus in this video. Zoom in a little so we can see it. I haven't been here in a few years, so I thought I'd come up here and show what it looks like in the wintertime. It's really cool when the tide is low, because these birds literally look like they're sitting on top of the water, and really what it is the mud is very close to the top of where the water is, so it looks like they're literally walking on it, which is really cool. Got some of them flying around a little bit right there. Yeah, it's fun to watch these guys. Oh, this is a nice little spot that you can go to in Inwood. Not sure I would recommend going in the cold, though. I have to have this in order to hold my little gimbal thingy that I kind of made into one. Better have these on or your fingers are going to freeze. See, and that's the Henry Hudson Bridge right over here. And that does have a walking path on it. In the future, I do plan to walk that, but probably when it's not so cold out here. But that's the Henry Hudson Bridge right there. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And if you do get out a little bit today, just be sure to bundle up. It's awfully cold outside, like they say in Home Alone 2. So have a great the rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. There's another train. It's a New York City Vibes Extra for you. Those are going into the Marble Hill Station, which is over here, which is the last neighborhood of Manhattan, is Marble Hill. And if you look over here, you can see the Broadway Bridge. That also will take you over there too. So I thought I'd add a little extra for you. Here's some more of the Mosquito Marsh in here as well. I'll do a walk through here once it warms up so that this is easier to walk on and stuff. So keep warm and enjoy the rest of your day.